How to check Facebook password on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Passwords application on your phone. The Passwords app is a dedicated tool for managing passwords, passkeys, and verification codes. It simplifies password management by storing, organizing, and allowing easy access to credentials across all Apple devices with iCloud keychain enabled. As you can see, you require Face ID or passcode to open this app. Once you open the app, you will be brought to this page. Here, tap on All as shown. Over here, you can view all your saved passwords on iPhone. Scroll down to look for Facebook and tap on it. You can now view your Facebook account username and password over here. Long press on the password and tap on Copy Password if you want to copy and share it somewhere else. Following these steps, you can easily check Facebook password on iPhone.